Welcome back to Get Real Life TV. Today, we are embarking on an enlightening journey into Orisha initiation, a journey of self-discovery. This process is deeply transformative and holds profound significance within Yoruba tradition. First, let's understand what Orisha initiation is. In Yoruba culture, Orishas are powerful spiritual beings that embody various aspects of the natural world and human experience. They serve as guides and protectors, offering wisdom and strength to those who seek their connection. Initiation into the Orisha tradition is a rite of passage that signifies a deep commitment to understanding and embodying the teachings of the Orishas. Connecting with your Orisha is significant as it helps you align with your true self and purpose in life. The potential benefits of Orisha initiation are vast. It fosters spiritual growth, encourages self-discovery, and strengthens connection to a higher power. This journey is about awakening your inner potential and embracing your authentic self. Now let's delve into the process of initiation. The journey begins with preparation, which can involve personal reflection, study, and guidance from experienced practitioners. The initiation itself typically includes a series of ceremonies that honor the Orishas and signify your commitment to this path. These ceremonies may vary in detail, but are often filled with rituals, prayers, and offerings. A crucial aspect of this journey is the role of the Babalawo or Iyalawo, who are the spiritual leaders who guide and support the initiates. They provide wisdom, encouragement, and necessary teachings to help you navigate your initiation. Throughout this journey, it's vital to approach the process with respect, humility, and dedication. This is not just a ritual, it is a transformative experience that requires deep commitment and sincerity. Let's talk about the personal transformation that can occur through Orisha initiation. Many individuals share profound stories about how this experience has changed their lives. Someone may enter the initiation feeling lost or disconnected. Through the process, they gain clarity about their identity and purpose, discovering strengths they never knew they had. This journey often leads to increased self-awareness and greater understanding of one's place in the world. The spiritual growth that results from initiation can be life-changing. Many find themselves more connected to their intuition and the energies around them, leading to more meaningful relationships and a deeper appreciation for life. A key element of the initiation journey is the importance of community. During and after initiation, having support from a community is invaluable. Your Orisha family, that is, those who share this spiritual path, will be there to lift and guide you. The broader community of practitioners also plays a crucial role in providing resources and encouragement. I encourage you to connect with others who have undergone initiation. Sharing experiences and insights can foster a sense of belonging and deepen your understanding of the Orisha tradition. Finally, let's explore how you can live the Orisha way in your daily life. The principles and values of the Orisha can be integrated into your everyday actions and decisions. Honoring the Orisha involves living a life of balance, harmony, and service. This means being mindful of your actions, showing respect to others, and striving to contribute positively to your community. Here are some practical tips for incorporating Orisha teachings into your life. Daily rituals. Set aside time for personal rituals such as prayers or offering to connect with your Orisha. Mindfulness. Practice mindfulness in your daily activities. Being present and aware of your thoughts and actions. Service. Engage in acts of kindness and service to others, reflecting the values of compassion and support that the Orishas embody. As we conclude today's discussion, I invite you to reflect on the journey of Orisha initiation and consider how it might resonate with you. If you found this video enlightening, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and others, and leave your thoughts or questions in the comment section below. Thank you for joining me today, and until next time, stay blessed and connected. Dear viewers, your support means the world to me. If you enjoy my content and want to see more, consider becoming a member by clicking the join button below. You can choose a membership category that suits you best. And every bit helps me continue creating the content you love. Additionally, if you would like to show your appreciation, you can equally use the Super Thanks button below or visit the donation link in the description. Your contributions make a significant difference and motivate me to keep pushing forward. Thank you for being part of this amazing community,